Hello guys, good afternoon here for the Asian Mess Hall, which is like a leche plan, this one, but it is different, like a different brand, but this is tasty. See? This is Maha. I'm sorry, this is Maha. This is Maha. Yes. This is Maha. Vegetables and white rice. For that is the Asian. It is vegetables. Wow. Nice. So much. Woo. Very delicious, huh? And this is the potato with, yes, with chicken. This is the main course, yes, for the Indian. And wow, this one is creamy taste soup. And it's a cracker. Wow, good, looks very nice. And for the Filipino, this one, apretada, beef apretada. See, wow, nice. Beef apretada, ginisang cabbage. See, and it's just soup with egg with vermicelli. Look at that. Wow, so tasty. Nice. Very nice. Wow. Okay guys, one more time to pass by each one. And maybe you like of that is our menu. Oh, wow. See? Wow. Wow, very tasty. Chickens, one more time. See. Oh, nice. And there's one. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.